Yo, Mr. L.
Yo, Jello.
You don't know what going on, Sheila.
What?
Can't believe the same thing happened to me.
What?
Yeah, the same thing will happen to you. Let me tell you how the thing goes. I never got that chance to tell of love in my heart, and now it really felt. Cause if I did have a second chance, I could have never let it pass. In my arms, hold you like the way you held your paws. Your love is like a task to me. I could have never, should have never, would have never, why they never, whatsoever did I ever, will I ever find another time in my life? Find another time to even call you my wife. I lie, cause I did never do whatever woman could have wanted. Or did I ever knew not even what I needed in my life? And now I'm so sad, I know nothing about love. I'm retarded, I need somebody to love. Somebody to love. Somebody to love. Somebody to somebody to love. Somebody to love. I really need somebody to love. Somebody to
I never knew that love could be right beside you while you're searching all around. And I never knew how much you really meant to me until you finally walked away. I wish I couldn't have said the things I say, couldn't have done the things I did, couldn't have been the man I was. I wish if you could give me a second chance, so you gave me another chance. Now I don't deserve a chance, but I need
somebody to love. Somebody to love. Somebody to love. Somebody to somebody to love. Somebody to love. I really need somebody to love. Somebody to just like a starlight that shine from the sky high. See a beauty from a find it that she shining bright. Feel memories in my mind when we see you smile. No wonder why I felt your crush like a falling fly. Can't take my eyes off your smile even though I try. Can't do nothing about it, I just wanna make you mine. But how to make you love me, how to diversify the love divinity from your mind, they say you're mine. It's like I'm a pilot, it's like I'm losing directions, and I don't wanna crash this flight. So I hope to make you smile in every word that I mention.